Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about mitosis and meiosis. Living organisms are constantly making new cells. They make new cells in order to grow and also to replace old dead cells. The process by which new cells are made is called cell division. Cell division is occurring all the time. Around 2 trillion cell divisions occurs in the average human body every day. There are 3 main types of cell division: binary fission, mitosis, and meiosis. Binary fission is used by simple organisms like bacteria. More complex organisms gain new cells by either mitosis or meiosis. Now we explain mitosis. Mitosis is used when a cell needs to be replicated into exact copies of itself. Everything in the cell is duplicated. The 2 new cells have the same DNA, functions, and genetic code. The original cell is called the mother cell and the 2 new cells are called daughter cells. Examples of cells that are produced through mitosis include cells in the human body for the skin, blood, and muscles. Before mitosis, the cell creates an identical set of its own genetic information. This is called DNA replication. The genetic information is in the DNA of the chromosomes. At the beginning of mitosis, the chromosomes wind up into visible object that can be seen with a light microscope. The chromosomes are now 2 chromatids joined at the centromere. Since the 2 chromatids are identical to each other, they are called sister chromatids. Mitosis happens in all types of dividing cells in the human body except with sperm and ova. The sperm and ova are gametes or sex cells. Now we explain meiosis. So what is meiosis? Meiosis is used when it is time for the entire organism to reproduce. There are 2 main differences between mitosis and meiosis. First, the meiosis process has 2 divisions. When meiosis is complete, a single cell produced 4 new cells instead of just 2. The second difference is that the new cells only have half the DNA of the original cell. This is important for life on Earth as it allows for new genetic combination to occur which produce variety in life. Example of cells that undergo meiosis include cells used in sexual reproduction called gametes. The gametes are produced by a different division method called meiosis. I hope so this video will be helpful for you. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel.